Let's look at 8 easy ways to make passive income. Number 8. Sell an ebook online. Creating an ebook is a great way to share your knowledge with the world, and self-publishing is a very easy process. All you need to do is write your book, format it, and publish it. You can then sell your ebook on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, or other online stores. Number 7. Selling stock photos. All you need to do is take photographs, upload them to a stock photo site, and wait for the money to start rolling in. Number 6. Create a course on Udemy. Udemy is a platform where you can find and create online courses. These courses can be on a wide variety of topics, from business to cooking to photography. When you create a course on Udemy, you can keep 70 to 85% of the profits. Number 5. Licensing music. If you're a musician, you may want to consider licensing your music. This is a process where you give someone else the right to your music for a specific purpose. This can be a great way to make money and to get your music out there. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a process where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission when someone buys it through your link. To start affiliate marketing, you need a website or blog, and you need to be able to generate traffic to your website. This can be a great way to make money and to promote products that you believe in. Number 3. Create an app. All you need to do is come up with an idea for an app, create a prototype, and submit it to an app store. If your app is accepted, you will start making money. If you're not sure how to create an app, you may want to consider hiring someone to do it for you. There are a number of app development companies out there that can help you create an app for a fee. Number 2. Design t-shirts. To get started, you need to create a t-shirt design, upload it to a t-shirt printing company, and start selling them. You may want to consider selling your t-shirt designs to Amazon Merch. Amazon Merch is a platform where you can sell your t-shirt designs to Amazon customers. Just upload your design and Amazon will take care of everything else, such as making it, packing it, and shipping it. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1. Sell digital files on Etsy. Digital files are items that you can download and print yourself. They can be anything from invitations to wall art to wedding programs. To sell digital files on Etsy, you need to create a digital product listing, upload your files, and set your price. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.